welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a just short video. I'm trying to cover this backdrop, this box backdrop. I hope you guys will like it and then you will try your own. Yeah, so it's not that easy to cover it, but I want to try in a different way, so then you guys you can try as well. So thank you for watching. So I'm gonna use this fabric. I don't know if my light is enough, or I think we'll see. So you see, this is very big. It's really big. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just put around this backdrop. So yeah, we will see how it will come. I think every design has this one. If you don't have one, you should have one. This is very beautiful to use. I use this most of the time when it's a baby shower or birthday party. It's very big. It's I think it's a 20 by 10 foot. So it's good size for the backdrop.
Subscribe to my mom's channel and like the video and comment
and hit
the like button.
That's good. Yeah, then I have to add more fabric on top. Let me do my design. I hope it's beautiful. my balloon this side and then add some red